please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'll open a bag with Universal Studios Monsters figure. Who knows what you get inside? Here's the items inside. Cause I mean, when they tried to do the Mummy version, Tom Cruise version kind of failed. I heard the Invisible Man was a lot better. So it's right here. They can't advertise somebody naked or invisible. So we'll see what's inside. And I'm a big fan of old horror movies too. So sometimes everything has to be difficult. Frankenstein's monster, the guy created Frankenstein. I had a hard time. The reason they put this thing in here so people can feel what's inside. So yeah, Dr. Frankenstein one I got. Hey, boo boo. Hey, wrong thing. So yeah, Frankenstein. Dr. Frankenstein. Dr. Frankenstein. So like and subscribe, tell me what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.